Well, this is the train horn setup on my 1998 Chevrolet Tahoe. Here's some cool switches. It's my air compressor switch. The tank's full, therefore the compressor isn't kicking on. This is my horn switch. When it's on the train horn. When it's off, it's on the normal horn. Watch this. Normal horn, train horn. Well, there's my air compressor and my air tank. It's the same setup that I took from the Honda. But yeah, 7-gallon tank. Yeah, it's full. There's the solenoid for the horns. There's my wiring job. Last but not least, here's the horns. The almighty Nathan Airtime K5LA, mounted underneath my Tahoe. So this is probably the coolest part about my setup, is I have an alarm on this, and this is what the panic feature sounds like. With a normal horn, that is. We shall try again with the horn activated. So lock and panic. Yeah, baby. There we have it. Train horn setup on a 1998 Chevrolet Tahoe. Thanks for watching.